Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The new analysis indicates the earliest estimate to date for the start of the Great Oxidation Event, 2.48 billion years ago. Other research has suggested small amounts of the gas appeared in the oceans and possibly the atmosphere around 2.5 billion years ago.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
When you inhale, breathe in, air enters your lungs and oxygen from the air moves from your lungs to your blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from your blood to the lungs and is exhaled. Breathe out.
Take our lead.
The solid Earth breathes as volcanoes exhale gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, which are essential in regulating global climate, while carbon ultimately from CO2 returns into the deep Earth when oceanic tectonic plates are forced to descend into the mantle at subduction zones.
Take our lead.
Homo sapiens. The first answer is to assume the first person was the first member of our species, Homo sapiens. This person would have been just like you and me, but without an iPhone. The oldest skeleton discovered of our species Homo sapiens so far is from Morocco and is about 300,000 years old.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.